So I've been caught 7 2/5 pounds of fish. Of the fish caught, 4 5/8 were sea bass. So I just listed what I knew. I knew that this is the total fish. So I'm going to call this TF. And then this is the sea bass, SB. So I know that of this amount, this much was sea bass. So the difference of these two amounts will be what is left.
And where's mackerel?
So he's gonna have 1 7/8 of the total fish is gonna be mackerel, but so right now we're figuring out that the common denominator is 40, and 5 goes into 40 8 times, and 8 times 2 is 16, and 8 goes into 40 5 times, and 5 times 5 is 25. So I can't take 25 from 16. So I am going to borrow from the 7 and make it a 6 and add 40 to 16. So this is now going to be 56. 56 minus 25. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So right now I have 2 31/40.
That's the rest.
So holy mackerel, right? Holy mackerel. We just figured out that if the original amount was 7 2/5 pounds of fish, and of the fish caught, 4 5/8 were sea bass, which is this number here, right? The rest were mackerel. So if I subtract the total fish minus the sea bass, here's my holy mackerel right here, 2 31/40. So what I figured out, now I've got this 2 31/40 mackerel. If I do 2, let me grab my pen, 2 31/40, and then I subtract what he gave away, which is this 1 7/8. What I have left will be the mackerel that he has left. But then they say give it as a decimal. So I'm going to just do 2 31/40 minus 1 7/8. Common denominator is 40. And this is going to be times 5 times 5. So that's going to be 35 over 40. So I'm going to borrow from this 2 and make it a 1. And I'm going to add 40 to 31. And I'm going to get 71 40ths.
And then you have to divide it by.
And I have to subtract. So that's going to be 6. That's going to be 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 36 40ths. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 36 40ths. If I simplify that, 9/10 mackerel left. That's not a lot of mackerel.